The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, HomeLink garage door opener, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, floor mats, auto-on headlights, center armrest, rear window defroster, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.